Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Engineer Adil Hussain with YouTube channel Tech Vlogs. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Do share with your friends and comment on the videos if you understand, if you have a better understanding towards GIS. Please share with your friends for the seekers of GIS, for the learners of GIS. Okay. In this video, I will tell you about how we can change the coordinate system of our layers. Okay. I will tell you in shortly about how to change the coordinate system. Just double tap on the layers and go to the properties. Okay, after going to the properties, you can have, there are many properties about the layers. I just want to check change the coordinate system. After that coordinate system, I have selected these coordinate systems because I am totally working on by using these coordinate systems as depending upon my location, depending upon the maps on which I am working. Okay, I saved them to the favorites, but you can change these coordinate systems from here. Go to the projected coordinate system. After going to the projected coordinate, you should have to go to UTM zone, WGS 1918 for northern hemisphere, and I want to select that. Here is somewhere is 43 north. This is WGS 1984 43 north, and I will select OK. My coordinate system has been applied to this layer. You can check in this way. I can apply the different coordinate system, change my coordinate systems according to my location. Okay, let's do it. We will do it twice for your better understanding. Let's suppose I want to change this my coordinate systems of my layers. My coordinate system of my layers are to be coordinated according to WGS 1984. I will click on that and I will apply and I will press OK. My coordinate system is being updated. This is the most easiest way to change the coordinate systems according to your location. I hope you understand about the basics. Please subscribe this channel, do share with your friends. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time.